This video is going to cover setting up the user profile settings. The first step is to click on your name in the top right-hand corner and then select Personal Information. Once there, you'll see that this is where you can adjust your name, email, mobile phone, time zone, license number, etc. But this is also where you'll add your email signature. You'll click Add Email Signature, and you can then build out your email signature however you'd like here, or if you have an HTML code for your signature, you can click on this plus sign with the 3 dots, click on the 2 arrows, insert that code, and then click the arrows once more and select Save. You'll want to make sure you make this your default signature so that it can be pulled onto those email templates that you send out through the system. This is also where you can change your password and set up 2-factor authentication login settings. So you can set it up to send you an SMS or send you an email. You can also set up your email settings right up here at the top. You can connect your Gmail or your Outlook. By doing this, you can also connect that calendar. So you can sync it bi-directionally so that you can send information from your Gmail or Outlook to Shape, as well as from Shape to your Gmail or Outlook. This is where you'll set up your phone settings. So if you do want to do call forwarding, right here is where you'll select the call forwarding or web phone. And last but not least, this is also where you'll set up your notification settings. So you can select to receive an email, text, a pop-up on your screen, or to also receive the notifications on your app. And down at the bottom, where it says notification destinations, this is where you'll input the email address and mobile phone number that you want to receive those notifications at. If you have any questions regarding setting up your user profile settings, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com at any time.